In this question, it is given a parallel plate air capacitor has a capacitance C when it is half filled as shown in figure with a dielectric constant K equals to 5, the percentage increase in the capacitance. So as you know, the expression of capacitance for a parallel plate can be written as epsilon naught A by D when the interior part is filled with air. As you know, the dielectric constant of air equals to 1. Okay. Now this is the initial case. Let's put as a I, Ci. Now the next case when the capacitance or the interior part is filled with two things. One is air and another is the dielectric constant K equals to 5. Then we can write C1 as epsilon naught, just put as a C1 epsilon naught A into 5, as we know that for a capacitance filled with a dielectric constant can be written as C dash equals to epsilon naught A into K by D. Since here it is given as dielectric constant K equals to 5, so we can put as a epsilon naught A into 5 by now D by 2, because this part is divided into two equal parts. Then we can write it D by 2. Okay. Then you can easily write equals to epsilon naught A by D into 10. So epsilon naught A by D. Now similarly for the second case we can write epsilon naught A into 1 because it is filled with the air, and D by 2. Then we can easily write epsilon naught A by D into 2. So for the simplicity of the calculation we can put Ci as a C, means then we are assuming that epsilon naught A by D equals to C. So it will be 10C, it will be 2C. Now we can see that C1, C2, they are connected in series. So if they are connected in series, then we can write that final value, as you know, for a series connection, C1 plus C2 equals to 1 by CS. So we can easily write that CS in series connection, C1 in C2 by C1 plus C2. We can write the final capacitance will be C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. So if we put the values, then we can write 10C into 2C by 10C plus 2C. So it will be 20C square by 12C. So which is equals to, so if I take 2, then 6, 10, again 2, again then it will be 5. That means 5C by 3. Now this question is asking for percentage increase in the capacitance. That means when it is filled with only air, and then when the half of the space is filled with dielectric constant 5. So that means we have the Ci initial and we have the final. Then as we know that percentage can be written as Cf minus Ci by Ci into 100 as a percentage. Then we know that Cf equals to 5C by 3 minus Ci is nothing but the capacitance C. For the simplicity, we have taken as a C equals to, then you can write 2C by 3 into 100, 2C by 3 and also by C. Then we can write CC cancel out into 100. So basically 2 by 3 into 100. So as we know that 2 by 3 can be written as 0.67 into 100%. Then we can approximately get 67 or 66. So then we can say that option number 2 is right. Thank you.